Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on this cross-country ski groomer. I'll show you how I put it together. I'll show you the kind of key components to make yours work if you're going to do it, and how she operates behind the back of the snow machine. So it should be interesting for some guys that have a property out at the lake and want to be able to get out there and get some good tracks out. Alright, so the main components of the unit here are these snow blockers. So these are going to pile the snow up in front to give you the smooth track. And then the actual track layout parts here. Now these are designed to lay the eventual track down. You'll notice that there's a bevel on there as well. Go all the way along the back sides. There you have it, guys. I hope you liked it. If you got any comments, throw them down below. Until next time, cheers.